I'm very happy to be here. I'm Alicja Kwade, and welcome to the solar booth called Fruit of Labor. Because all we do is the fruit of labor somehow, I feel like. Also artists, it's about what we do, how we create, how we try to turn the world upside down sometimes. I'm bringing a group of pieces together, which I'm doing since a long time. But they're all about, trading and how the world operates and how we ship goods around and what time is doing for that and how we try to optimize. It's absolutely about what an art fair is also and what is traded and what the value about that is. They seem like being like real objects or like, objects from daily life. But each of them is somehow, shift around. There's something wrong or different in them. It's like an ironic critique, but from a rustic comment on that. It's kind of a personal work. So I'm always having this bag around usually, and it's very heavy. It's always very heavy. So people are asking me, are you carrying stones? I'm not usually, but sometimes. This kind of sphere looks like planet Earth or something. So it's about, what is that? What is like branding? What is like trading? When the object becomes kind of art or a brand, and what is that? We all are carrying heavy weights, whatever that might be, your life, your problems, but it's also like a little bit, humoristic. So it's like, yeah, what do we carry around?